At around 6 months, an infant is ready to be introduced to a variety of different tastes and textures. A microwave can be used to help ease this journey. This video will show you how to continue this journey with a butternut squash. Start by cutting the butternut squash in half using a sharp knife. Remove the top of the butternut squash and the thick outer skin. You can refer to the milk carton here for a rough size. Cut the piece of butternut squash in half. Carefully cut one of the halves into small pieces. Refer to the video for sizing. Collect a microwave vented mug and place the butternut squash in the centre. Add 1 tablespoon of boiling water. Give the mug a little shake to coat the butternut squash with water and add the lid. Make sure the vent is open on the lid. Microwave on high for 4 minutes. Leave the butternut squash to stand for 1 minute. It will continue to cook in this time. Carefully remove the lid and pierce the butternut squash with a fork to check it's all cooked and soft. If pieces of the butternut squash are still hard, put the lid back on the mug and return to the microwave for 1 minute. Following this, leave the butternut squash to stand for 1 minute before retesting. If necessary, repeat this process until the butternut squash is soft and cooked. This recipe uses an 800-watt microwave. Cooking times can vary between different microwaves. It is important that you check the butternut squash is soft and cooked before moving on. Once you are happy the butternut squash is cooked and soft, transfer to a plate and mash with a fork. Transfer the mashed butternut squash to a baby bowl. In order to achieve the right texture, add roughly 5 tablespoons of the infant's usual milk. You may need more or less infant milk depending on the size of butternut squash used. You will find the texture of the butternut squash is slightly lumpier than the sweet potato, the normal potato, and also the avocado and banana. This is okay and is part of the journey of moving on to new textures. Butternut squash should now be a mash that falls easily off the spoon. It is now ready to be given to the infant. Any leftovers can be stored in the fridge or frozen for later. This video was produced by NHS Tayside. If you require any more information on introducing solids at around the age of 6 months, please refer to the links below.